Greetings, curious humans. I'm your host, Cybot GPT, and today we're diving into the extraordinary world of planetary exploration. We're about to embark on a journey to the fourth planet from the Sun, where cutting-edge technology meets the mysteries of the red planet. That's right, folks, it's time to talk about the awe-inspiring Perseverance rover. The Perseverance rover, often fondly referred to as Percy, is NASA's latest marvel, a robotic geologist and astrobiologist, specifically designed to unravel the secrets of Mars like never before. In this video, we'll take you on a mind-blowing tour of this incredible rover, its jaw-dropping mission objectives, and the groundbreaking science it's conducting on our neighboring world. But before we delve into the nitty-gritty details, let's set the stage. Perseverance landed on Mars in February 2021, after a daring descent through the thin Martian atmosphere, and it's been making headlines ever since. Equipped with state-of-the-art instruments and a rock-solid determination, this rover is on a quest to uncover the mysteries of Mars, past and present. So, what's on the rover's itinerary? Well, prepare to be amazed, because Perseverance is tasked with searching for signs of ancient microbial life, collecting rock and soil samples for future return to Earth, testing cutting-edge technology for future missions, and even producing oxygen from the Martian atmosphere. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but this is happening right now, on another planet. So whether you're a seasoned space enthusiast or just curious about the latest advancements in planetary exploration, this video is for you. Get ready to be inspired, amazed, and educated as we embark on a thrilling journey to Mars with the incredible Perseverance rover. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a moment of our cosmic adventures. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the world of Perseverance and uncover the mysteries of the red planet together. Strap in, fellow explorers, because we're about to blast off on an interplanetary expedition like no other. It's time to explore Mars with Perseverance. Let's go. Perseverance, affectionately nicknamed Percy, is a car-sized Mars rover launched as part of NASA's Mars 2020 mission. It successfully landed on Mars on February 18, 2021, and as of September 12, 2023, has been active on Mars for 936 Earth days, or 2 years, 6 months, and 25 days. This rover shares a design lineage with its predecessor, Curiosity, but with some moderate upgrades. It carries a comprehensive suite of instruments, including 7 primary payload instruments, 19 cameras, and 2 microphones. Notably, Perseverance also brought the mini-helicopter Ingenuity to Mars, which made history by conducting the first powered flight on another planet and has continued to set records for speed, distance, and altitude. Perseverance's mission objectives are diverse. It aims to identify ancient Martian environments that could have supported microbial life, seek evidence of past microbial life in specific rock types, collect and store rock and soil samples on the Martian surface for future retrieval, and test oxygen production from the Martian atmosphere in preparation for human missions. In its scientific campaign, Perseverance conducted remote sensing measurements of geologic targets in the SIDA unit and collected its first core sample at the crater floor fractured rough. The second campaign involves traveling towards the Three Forks, where it can explore geologic locations at the base of the ancient Neretva River Delta and ascend the delta by driving up a valley wall to the northwest. Overall, Perseverance's mission on Mars is a remarkable endeavor to unlock the planet's past and prepare for future human exploration, all while making history with groundbreaking technology like the Ingenuity helicopter. In the early 2010s, NASA's Mars exploration program faced uncertainty due to budget cuts, leading to the cancellation of planned collaborations and a lack of approved missions beyond 2013. The Planetary Science Decadal Survey in 2011 recommended NASA prioritize a Mars sample return campaign, starting with a sample caching rover with a budget goal of under $2.5 billion. Inspired by the success of the Curiosity rover and the Decadal Survey, NASA announced the Mars 2020 mission in December 2012, aiming to launch a new rover by 2020. Despite initial hesitation, a science definition team for Mars 2020 recommended selecting and storing a suite of samples in a returnable cache. Perseverance's design builds upon Curiosity's platform, with improvements including more robust wheels, a thicker aluminum wheel design, and an extended robotic arm for sample collection and storage. The rover also features a secondary arm, the sample handling assembly for managing soil samples within the adaptive caching assembly. Perseverance's modifications make it heavier than Curiosity, weighing 1,025 kilograms, a 14% increase. It's powered by a multi-mission radioisotope thermoelectric generator with plutonium-238 oxide, providing about 110 watts of electricity at launch. Perseverance relies on 3 antennas for telemetry, with the primary UHF antenna capable of sending data at a maximum rate of 2 megabits per second, while 2 slower X-band antennas provide communication redundancy. NASA's Perseverance rover has a twin called Optimism, Operational Perseverance Twin for integration of mechanisms and instruments sent to Mars, a vehicle system test bed used for testing and troubleshooting at the JPL Mars Yard. The Ingenuity helicopter, part of the Perseverance mission, weighs 1.8 kilograms and demonstrated powered flight in Mars' rarefied atmosphere. It has made 30 successful flights as of August 31, 2022, setting speed and distance records during its 25th flight. Ingenuity has 2 cameras and communicates with Earth via Perseverance. Perseverance got its official name through a nationwide naming contest, selected by NASA's Thomas Zurbuchen following the submission of over 28,000 proposals. A 7th-grade student, Alexander Mather, named it Perseverance, emphasizing humanity's ability to adapt and overcome challenges. Perseverance launched successfully on July 30, 2020, aboard an Atlas V rocket, arriving at Jezero crater on Mars on February 18, 2021. After May 17, 2022, it will examine rocks for evidence of past life and collect sample rocks for future retrieval. The landing of Perseverance was exceptionally accurate, thanks to terrain relative navigation technology, enabling it to land close to its science objectives. Jezero crater, the landing site, was chosen because it may contain evidence of perchlorate-reducing microbes. During its mission, Perseverance adopted a pet rock, a small rock stuck in one of its wheels, which did not harm the rover's mission and stayed with it for over 126 days. The mission has also recorded the sound of Martian wind and made significant progress in exploring the red planet's surface. NASA considered nearly 60 proposals for Perseverance rover's instrumentation and selected 7 instruments. 1. Mars Oxygen ISRU Experiment. MOXIE. It produces oxygen from Martian atmospheric carbon dioxide, a crucial technology for potential human life support and rocket fuel production. 2. Planetary Instrument for X-ray Lithochemistry, PXL, and X-ray fluorescence spectrometer to analyze the composition of Martian surface materials. 3. Radar Imager for Mars Subsurface Experiment, RIMFAX, a ground-penetrating radar to image underground features and detect water ice and brine. 4. Mars Environmental Dynamics Analyzer, META, a set of sensors measuring environmental factors on Mars. 5. SuperCam, an advanced instrument for imaging, chemical composition analysis, and mineralogy from a distance. 6. MastCam-Z, a stereoscopic imaging system with zoom capabilities. 7. Sherlock, an ultraviolet Raman spectrometer used to determine fine-scale mineralogy and detect organic compounds. Perseverance also features additional cameras and 2 audio microphones for engineering support during various mission phases. The rover's mission includes exploring areas like the Neretva Vallis Delta, Jezero crater, and the Martian shoreline. It conducted its first test drive on March 4, 2021, and began caching rock, regolith, and atmosphere samples to support the NASA ESA Mars sample return mission. The project's cost is approximately $2.75 billion over 11 years, making it NASA's 6th most expensive robotic planetary mission. Cost-saving measures were implemented by leveraging spare hardware and designs from the Curiosity mission. As part of the Send Your Name to Mars campaign, over 10 million people submitted their names to be etched onto silicon chips attached to the rover, along with essays from contest finalists, forming a commemorative artifact on Perseverance. Perseverance carries a geocaching trackable item visible through Sherlock's Watson camera, inspired by geocaching's previous placement of a cache on the International Space Station. It's a trackable item that players can search for and log online, with its code printed on a glass disc used as part of the rover's calibration target. A tribute to healthcare workers was placed on the rover in recognition of their efforts during the COVID-19 pandemic. One of the external plates on Perseverance features a simplified representation of all previous NASA Martian rovers, paying homage to their legacy. NASA also engaged with students, offering a program to those who persevered through academic challenges. Nominated students receive personal messages beamed back from Mars by the rover. Additionally, a hidden message, "Dare Mighty Things," was encoded in the parachute's color pattern that helped land Perseverance on Mars. This phrase is attributed to U.S. President Theodore Roosevelt and is the unofficial motto of the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, where the mission was developed. In conclusion, the Perseverance rover represents a remarkable feat of engineering and scientific exploration. Its mission on Mars is not only about understanding the red planet's geology and climate, but also about paving the way for future human exploration. From its advanced scientific instruments to its groundbreaking technologies, Perseverance is a testament to human curiosity and our unrelenting spirit of exploration. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to like and share it with your friends and fellow space enthusiasts. And if you want to stay updated on the latest discoveries and achievements in the world of space exploration, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey with Perseverance, and remember, the pursuit of knowledge knows no bounds. This is Saibot GPT, signing off, and remember, the sky is not the limit, it is only the beginning.